I left my boots by the old porch swing. Sunset falling on everything. Mama's voice in the breeze again, saying, boy, don't chase the wind. But I ran through fields and broken hearts, down dirt roads, faded stars, where hurt don't heal, just learns to stay. And wildflowers knew my name. That red barn still leans to the side, like it's tired of holding time. My first kiss carved on that tree, and now she's gone, but it stays with me. 'Cause I ran through fields, broken hearts, down dirt roads, faded stars, where hurt don't heal, just learns to stay. And wildflowers knew my name. The radio hums a lonesome tune. The stars out here still miss you too. Yeah, I tell the moon